everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha online with another video. So guys, today's video is going to be about my favorite makeup brushes from a Pakistani brand, from a Pakistani line. I wanted to do this video from a long time since this is kind of a really asked question on my channel that tell us some affordable brushes which we can purchase easily from Pakistan and everything like that, because it's not easy to get brushes, to buy brushes over here. I wanted to tell you guys about these brushes which have been launched in Pakistan by a Pakistani brand. It's called Beautify by Amna. Beautify by Amna, the person Amna has launched her brand, and she has makeup brushes in her line as well as a beauty blender, a perfect primer and a 24K gold serum. This is what her brush set looks like. It's all glittery and shimmery, the perfect gold, dull gold. You can just see the packaging and you can fall in love already, because I did when I first saw the packaging and the box and everything. It has come up with 10 pieces of professional brushes, which include face brushes, eyeshadow brushes, eyebrow brushes, every kind of brush we get in this deal. So I'm gonna quickly unbox this for you guys. So when I open this box like this, we see a bunch of brushes inside this goldeny kind of a box. First brush I have in my hand is for foundation, for buffing your foundation in. Well, I find two uses of this one brush. You can use it to buff your foundation in, also you can use it to set your makeup. So it's kind of performing two functions from one brush. Second brush I have in hand is a blush brush. It is used for blush-ons. All of the Beautify by Amna's brushes have, they can perform two functions in one brush, so that's really pretty cool. As you can see, this can be used to apply a blush as well as you can contour or easily apply a bronzer with the help of this brush. So it's actually performing two ways. The third brush I have in my hand, this is supposed to bronze your face. It's a bronzer brush, but what I see is the use of this brush should be for applying your highlighter, as it's small, sleek. I saw this brush, I instantly thought of this as my highlighter brush. I couldn't really find the use of bronzing my face with this one, so I'll definitely consider it as my highlighter brush. Fourth brush I have in my hand is this one. Okay, this clearly looks like a contour brush, but it's supposed to highlight your face. It will be more suitable to contour your face. It's going to give you that contour line, and it's also going to help you blend in that powder. For me, this is going to be the contour brush. Although it's named as the highlighter brush, I'm totally going opposite to what it's saying and it's offering, since I'm gonna put my own opinions and perspective about the brushes. Fifth one I have is this famous Ghisa Pita Hua old brush, because we have seen this one going viral around all over the world. Piछले साल या 2 साल पहले or something like that, because these were really hit and they were so popular around everywhere. So yeah, this is supposed to contour your face. I think this would be more suitable for cream contouring, because because that's how this is going to work. Only time I reach for a oval brush is going to be this one. This really helps in blending that cream contour, तो इसी से ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से blend हो जाता है, since this is the function of this brush. So I think I'm gonna get a hang of a oval brush. So let's see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this because I think this is going to be the alternative of this one for my contour game. Moving on to the eye brushes, I'm gonna quickly go through them as well. This one I have, it's kind of dirty because I already showed my tutorial with this, which is going to be the next step after this, the demo of course. It's supposed to be a fluffy kind of a blending brush. That's what it's also called, a blending brush. So I have applied it on my crease, not actually in my crease too, just to kind of build that transition shade and buffing in and blending in all the eyeshadows together. So this is quite dense. It looks like this. I wish that it had soft bristles, and I felt that they were a little harsh for the eyes. But when I started doing my makeup, तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता slowly they were okay to use. Like शुरू में थोड़ी सी irritation हुई थी, but I think when the shadows when you start blending them, the shadows with this brush, then it goes very well. ये वाला जो crease brush है, this is the crease brush basically. This is really important to have in your makeup brush set, because this is going to help you a lot in building that crease up. This is very important to have in your makeup stash, and this is going to make your eyeshadow game really strong. So I feel this is one of the most important brushes, and I'm glad that Beautify by Amna has added such kind of a brush, which is really going to help with the eyeshadows. Okay, so the third brush I have in my hand is this double-sided eyebrow brush. Oh my god, this is going to be my favorite brush. I have been looking for a brush, an eyebrow brush with two-ended sides, like एक side पे spoolie होगी और एक side पे there is an angle brush. It's going to make your life really easier as it had made mine. So a double-ended angle brush, that's all you need. Interesting brush which I found in the whole line is this tilted eyeliner brush, as I was looking for this one for so long, like something which is bent और ये easily application बहुत easy हो जाती है आपके gel liner की इस brush के साथ. So idea of this brush, bending down, ये वाला idea, this is really great, and this is going to help a lot of you guys who want to learn to make that perfect wing. This is your tool, this is your key to a successful winged eyeliner. Last brush I have is this flat brush, which is also two-sided. It's going to be travel friendly as it has two ends, two sides, two types of flat brushes, so it's going to be easier for you to take this along. And the application and everything, the way it picks the shadow density of the brush is really good. Guys, that was my overall information about the brushes. So let's move on to the demo now. Let's see how I create my whole eye makeup look as well as my face makeup look, so you can see all this completed look with the help of a demo now. So let's move into it.
Preview.
enjoyed the demo and the look. In the tutorial, I'm sure you have a better idea about the brushes, the application and everything, and you're better to decide if you want to invest in these brushes or not. I think these are really going to help people who want to learn makeup, the beginners basically. Beginners के लिए makeup set बहुत ही अच्छा है. Want to practice makeup, practice different looks, then you should definitely go and buy this brush set.